Welcome back to the channel. For this video, I'm switching gear and testing out something different. A red, powerful, and all new from Italy. There you go, the brand new Ducati Multistrada V2S, newly available for 2025. Unlike its twin brother, the DesertX, this one leans much more to the adventure touring. But with a price tag just shy of 30 grand in Australia, is it really worth it to compare to other middleweight adventure bikes? Let's find out. Have a listen of this. Under the fairing, the V2S packed a brand new 890cc V2 engine. It's lighter, smoother, and more refined than the previous generation. Ducati even dropped their famous decimal valve system, which saving on weight, simplifying maintenance, and make the engine more compact. I'm not sure the engine spec of this bike, I have to look it up, but amazing engine. It just feels so nice. It's so punchy. And it doesn't give you that much of the jerkiness as you would expecting from the Monster. On the road, this bike is a gem. The throttle is buttery smooth and the power delivery feels predictable and clean. It doesn't have the instant punchy torque from the CFMOTO 800 MTX, but once it spins up, it feels far more refined and eager to rev. The whole powertrain just feels more polished. You still have the classic Ducati characteristic, but with a modern touch. When it comes to the ergonomic, you instantly know you are riding a Ducati.
Sitting on the bike, immediately I feel I'm on a more aggressive sitting position. It's a very wide handlebar. The full pack is nice and tilting backward, and even the sitting position is a little bit tilting forward. So I'm feeling like the bike pushed me to go into a more aggressive riding position. Obviously, riding like this probably looks awesome in the photo shot. Could be a little bit tiring in a long distance. I wish the seat can be slightly more plush. Flipping the bike is just so easy. It's very aggressive riding position and very great on the feedback as well.
The V2S weighs around 200 kg, and you really feel the reduced weight when you are moving. It's agile, flexible, and the electronic suspension keeps it planted throughout the corners. At a highway speed, it's rock solid, stable, smooth, and composed. The seat is wide and comfortable, and there's plenty of room to move around and adjust the riding position.
You gotta love Ducati. With their V2, V4, it's just amazing.
However, I did find the full pack unideal for long ride, and it makes the standing up off-road a bit awkward.
Okay, the stock full pack is not designed for standing up, so better not to. And again, if I want to chill out, I just sitting back a little bit. This wide handlebar gives me a very good commanding position. And my leg is not cramped up anymore. A nice touring position. I can do this all day. There's a cruise control, which I'm not going to be using today.
The shape of the fuel tank and handguards offers a solid weather protection, and that windscreen make a long-distance cruising effortless.
I do like the design of the windscreen. There's basically no wind noise at all. Like all the wind is going above of my head. I'm not even wearing an earplug. I'm in a very nice, clean air bubble that the windscreen created.
Also, it's very easy to adjust the windscreen on the fly.
Everybody should have that. It's not a hard design. CFMOTO can do it, Ducati did it. I mean, Ducati did a more elegant job. But yeah, for a proper touring bike, you need something like this. But would I call this an adventure bike? My answer would be yes. Any bike is an adventure bike, but With a proper off-road biased tire, slightly off-road biased tire, this one can becoming a light off-road and touring bike. Oh, when you're pushing the bike, it's really not that heavy.
As far as for the design and finish, it looks exactly like a Ducati should. It has sharp lines, clean bodywork. The new version has a more compact fairing, with a clever air channel to help direct the heat away from the rider. That classic Ducati red looks amazing under the sunlight, and the signature front design makes it recognizable from hundreds of meters away. If you want to be the loudest and the proudest rider in the group, this is the one to have.
And I do like how Ducati is taking their branding to the next level. When you buy a Ducati, you need this to be red, and you need a big capital letter of Ducati on the side of the fuel tank or your body panel.
So where does it sit among the competition? The CFMOTO 800 MTX give you an incredible value and off-road capability from out of the box. The Suzuki V-strom and Honda Transalp sit comfortably in the middle ground. And this Ducati Multistrada V2S is definitely at the premium end of the scale. This is for the riders who want the more refinement, sportiness, and a touch of the Italian drama every time they twist the throttle. This is not built for the hardcore off-road adventure, but put on the highway, in a twisty, and even on a few hard-packed fire trail, this bike will absolutely shine.
I wouldn't take this one off-road at all. I mean, maybe a little bit hard, compact off-road, and you need probably a different set of tire just to do that. And it's not particularly heavy. When I'm pushing this bike around with a bike worth almost like 3 CFMOTO 450 MT, you really want to take care of the bike. You don't really want to drop the bike, break the panel, and it's gonna look awful.
And expensive. Also, I'm pretty confident you will develop some other small issue when you're riding this bike for long term.
Probably the windscreen, but I can hear the windscreen rattling. Oh. Yeah, the rear suspension is too stiff. I probably have to soften it up. So yeah, sitting position pretty easy. I mean, with my height, I can just walk with the bike very easily. That was a very hot ride. Amazing machine.
That's it for this review. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next ride.